One of the most common things people say is, "I'm tired all the time." And not normal tired, deep tired. The kind of exhaustion sleep doesn't fully fix. The kind where even small tasks feel heavy. And eventually people begin accepting it as normal aging. But exhaustion is not always age. Very often it's adaptation. The body is constantly managing energy. Every system depends on it. Repair, digestion, detoxification, hormone balance, immune function, everything requires energy. And when the body senses that available energy is limited, it begins conserving. This is survival biology. And most people never realize how many things drain biological energy at the same time. Stress chemistry, poor hydration, low oxygen efficiency, blood sugar instability, poor sleep quality, nervous system overload. All these increase demand on the system, and eventually the body shifts into conservation mode. This is why people often feel foggy, unmotivated, heavy, wired but exhausted, unable to recover properly. The body is prioritizing survival over performance. And this is important to understand. Fatigue is not weakness, it is communication. The body is telling you, "I do not currently have enough available energy to function optimally." But instead of rebuilding energy properly, most people try to override the signal. More caffeine, more stimulation, more pushing, more stress hormones, and eventually the system becomes even more depleted. This is why quick fixes often fail. They stimulate temporarily without restoring the foundations required for sustainable energy production. Real energy restoration follows a sequence. Hydration improves electrical communication. Structure improves efficiency. Safety reduces unnecessary energy loss. Clearance reduces inflammatory burden. Then, mitochondrial energy production begins stabilizing again. And this is where hope returns, because energy can improve, not overnight, not through force, but through rebuilding the conditions the body needs to produce energy efficiently again. And that process takes patience, sequence, adaptation, recovery. Because lasting restoration is not about stimulation, it's about rebuilding capacity. And once the body starts regaining that capacity, people often realize, "I wasn't lazy, I was depleted." And that shift changes everything. Comment capacity if this finally makes sense, and follow for more clarity on how the body restores real energy naturally.